welcome back to the channel. If you don't know my face, my name is Stephaniejean. This is my channel where I like to talk about stuff on the internet. That was Connor. Today I am getting ready for the next month of the year, the 5th month of the year. We're already almost halfway through 2019, which is crazy because I feel like it was January like 2 days ago. I have my pencil case, I have my bullet journal. It is time to just jump into this thing. My monthly spread for this month, for May, is a lot different from April. I put a lot more work into April's plan with me layout, and I did not do that for May. May is gonna be more of a relaxed month. I don't have that much going on. In April, I expected to have a lot more going on than I actually did. And in May, I am going to expect a lot less to be going on. I have my 3 main goals for this month, which I guess I should just show you the whole spread. This is it. So I have the 3 main goals right up here. The first one is to finish my first draft of my novel. I want to start preparing for JuneTube, which is next month, guys. Next month is JuneTube, and I am absolutely ecstatic. I haven't done an announcement about JuneTube yet. Quick synopsis, I guess JuneTube is going to be a video a day for the entire month of June. So I am going to start preparing for that towards the end of May, get everything ready. So this month is kind of the calm before the storm that I feel like June is gonna be. The work that I'm doing in May is going to heavily rely on my novel, whereas the work that I'm doing in June is going to be a break from writing and an insane amount of videos. So different kinds of work. As far as YouTube goes, I'll still have my video every single Tuesday, but it's not gonna be as insane as JuneTube is, because nothing is as insane as JuneTube is. Because I like to have 3, my 3rd goal for this month is to try 2 new recipes. That's it. So if you guys have any recommendations on recipes for me to try, link them down below, because I have some cookbooks, I have some ideas of maybe what I might eventually like to do, but if you guys send me some of your favorite recipes, I can't really ignore that. So let me know. I just don't eat fish, so don't put anything in there that has fish, because I don't eat any kind of seafood. Now, my month calendar is a lot smaller, and you'll notice that I don't have a habit tracker this time. That is because I want to have my habit tracker exist on my weekly pages, and that's even if I have weekly pages for this month. I really just want to focus on my writing, and if I'm tracking any habits at all, it's gonna be going to the gym and not spending any money. My setup for May is gonna be, it's pretty basic. So I don't really know what else to talk about now. Oh, and then the other thing I wanna try to maybe do, but I don't want to write this down as a goal because I don't know how serious I am about doing it this month, is meal prepping. I for sure want to be doing this in June while I have all those videos to be creating every single day and an absolute insane amount of work. I want to be meal prepping then, but I kind of need to start practicing that in May so it's more of a habit by the time June comes along. But I don't know when I'm gonna start, and I just don't know. I didn't want to like force myself into something I wasn't completely ready for, so I didn't want to make a written commitment to it. But yeah, that is it for this video. If you want to connect with me on social media, you can find me on Twitter and Instagram at _Stephaniejean, and I'm also on Tumblr, but there's no underscore, the underscore is a hyphen, so on Tumblr it's at _Stephaniejean, and on Instagram and Twitter it's _Stephaniejean. So you can find me on there, we can connect, you can send me messages, you can see I've been doing the 100 days of productivity challenge on Tumblr, so maybe you'll like that if you go check it out. I don't know. You gotta tell me what you think. I don't even know if anyone's watching this, so yeah, that's it for this video. So, what did I say? Subscribe, connect with me, send me recipes in the comments down below, and that's it. Go slay May, okay? Okay. I like that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.